Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on statements and wages worksheets. So this video presents a worksheet where we look at different terms that might be used by financial institutions, and we also have some simple problems to solve using these terms. And if you're not familiar with these terms, we've had a lesson on this very topic, and on the next slide there is a link. It's clearly set out, so if you click on that link, that will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all of these examples. So let's see what's required here. Answer the following questions. Number 1. Explain what you understand by the word deposit. Number 2. Explain what you understand by the word withdrawal. Number 3. Explain what you understand by the word balance. Number 4. Explain what you understand by the word payslip. Number 5. Explain the meaning of gross wage. Number 6. Explain the meaning of net wage. Number 7. A bank account has $576 in it. After a deposit of $123 is made, what is the new balance? Number 8. A bank account has $987 in it. After a withdrawal of $253 is made, what is the new balance? Number 9. What is the net wage if a gross wage of $597 is taxed an amount of $82? Number 10. Calculate the gross wage if the net wage is $532 and the tax is $68. So you have to read this very carefully, and if you know the meaning of gross wage, net wage and what tax entails, you shouldn't have much difficulty. And number 11, which is larger, gross wage or net wage? So this video has presented a simple worksheet where we have to go through some terms, try and understand some terms that are used by financial institutions, and we've had some very simple problems associated with statements from financial institutions using words like deposit, withdrawal, gross amount, net amount, and tax. And don't forget about the link on the next slide if you need some help before you attempt to do this worksheet.